In today's video, I'll show you how to add a local inventory feed in Google Merchant Center, step by step, in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. First, let's quickly understand what this does. A local inventory feed allows Google to show your in-store product availability to nearby shoppers. This enables local inventory ads and free local listings so customers can see what's available in your physical store before they visit. Before you start, make sure two things are already set up. You need a primary product feed in Google Merchant Center, and your account must be linked to a Google Business profile for your store locations. Now log in to your Google Merchant Center account. On the left side, click the Settings icon, then select Data Sources. Next, go to the Product Sources tab and click Add Local Inventory. This is where you'll create the feed that sends your in-store stock data to Google. You'll now be asked how you want to upload your data. You can choose Google Sheets, SFTP, or Scheduled Fetch, depending on what's easiest for you. For beginners, Google Sheets is usually the simplest option. After that, make sure you select Local Product Inventory as the feed type. This step is important because it tells Google that this feed is for in-store availability, not online products. Now set how often Google should update your inventory. Daily updates are recommended so prices and availability stay accurate. When creating the feed, include the required details such as store code, item ID, price, and availability. Make sure your store codes match the ones in your Google Business profile and that your prices match what's actually in your store. Once everything is set, submit the feed and allow some time for Google to process it. And that's how you add a local inventory feed in Google Merchant Center. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.